dumpster rental service in Norfolk, Virginia. If you need reliable dumpster rental in Norfolk, Virginia, Junk Crushers LLC is your go-to solution. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to suit residential and commercial projects of all types. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, spring cleaning, or handling a construction job, we make waste removal simple and efficient. At Junk Crushers LLC, we are committed to providing excellent service with flexible rental options to meet your schedule. Our professional team is ready to assist with choosing the right dumpster size, ensuring your project stays organized and waste-free from start to finish. We take pride in being an environmentally conscious service. Junk Crushers LLC responsibly disposes of waste by adhering to all local recycling and disposal regulations, minimizing the environmental impact. We offer transparent pricing with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're paying for. Whether it's a one-time rental or ongoing service, we ensure a hassle-free experience with fast, reliable delivery and pickup. Need help choosing a dumpster size? Our team is just a phone call away. Contact us at 757-305-7504 to get started on your dumpster rental. We're here to make waste disposal easy and affordable.